Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Chrysler 300C SRT8 versus the Dodge Charger SRT8, helping you decide which high-performance sedan best suits your needs. Both vehicles are built on the same platform and share the legendary 1-liter Hemi V8 engine, producing 425 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. While mechanically similar, their styling and interior appointments offer distinct personalities. We'll explore these differences to help you make an informed choice. When it comes to performance, both SRT8s are incredibly close. They share the same 5-speed automatic transmission and deliver exhilarating acceleration. The Chrysler 300C SRT8 is often noted for its balanced ride, offering a blend of comfort and high-performance handling. The Dodge Charger SRT8, however, is frequently described as having a more aggressive suspension tune, appealing to those who prefer a firmer, more track-focused driving experience. Ultimately, both offer thrilling straight-line speed. Hey everyone, quick break from our SRT8 showdown. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more automotive content. On another note, speaking of powerful choices, making healthy choices for your meals can be just as important as choosing the right car. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Inside, the Chrysler 300C SRT8 leans into its luxury sedan roots, offering a more upscale cabin with features like power-adjustable sport seats with suede inserts and dual-zone climate control. The Dodge Charger SRT8, while comfortable, focuses on a sportier ambience with performance seats and unique trim. Both vehicles provide generous interior space for 5 passengers and a sizable trunk, making them practical for daily driving or longer trips. The choice here often comes down to your preference for luxury versus a more overtly sporty feel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.